Hola amigos, be very welcome to these first audio lessons of an intensive course of Spanish in your favorite podcast of Spanish Language Bites. This is Carmen, and I wanted to remind you that in January, so mean to say very, very soon, you will have availability to access to these first audio lessons of Spanish for beginners. We will be using a methodology. In this case, is the methodology used in the book NUEVO PRISMA, Nivel A1, which is pure beginner. And this is ideal for those ones, people interested in learning Spanish, but at your own pace. So in each audio, we will be covering different parts of the book. If you want to buy as well, the exercises book is perfect. As far as I remember, you have access to the correct answers or the answers of the exercises. And as well, in case that you had any question along the audios, you can contact me by either through the podcast or as well through the website, which is going to be the new one launched very, very soon as well in January 2025. So www.cspeakingspanish.com. Yeah, or even though in our social media, Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or as well YouTube. So as well, what else to share with you? Oh yes, the length of each audio is maximum 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So whatever is covered during those minutes, perfect. But I don't want to extend it more because my intention is we see a little bit of grammar, knowledge, and then the extensive work is done by you, which is through exercises, listenings, writing, so on and so forth. Yeah. So as said, I hoped to onboard you very, very soon in this first audio lesson of already printed, launched book methodology by Editorial Edinumen, which is really, really good. I like it a lot. And we embarked together in this exciting journey that is learning a Spanish language. So, my dear friend, I wish you a lovely day ahead, and please, let's keep in touch. Adiós. Muchas gracias.